Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so happy to be with you here today. I have some fun things to share with you, and I'm leaving the best for last because let me tell you, I'm in love with it. I'm just saying. But I'm in love with all of them, but I really have to say I'm in love with the last one the most. Now, the first item I'm going to share with you today is something that's like one of those basic staples that you kind of just have to have. Okay, you're going to kind of go, oh my gosh, I can't believe I don't already have those because, you know, that's how kind of a staple it is. And what is it? It's called the Inside Scallop Rectangle dies. Now, these are rounded corners. They coordinate with our rounded corners nesting dies, but it has this gorgeous edge. Now, it has a stitch line, the dotted circle, the dots, and then the scallop on the inside, and they make the most gorgeous frames, and I can't wait to share my samples with you. Now, you might have even seen some of the samples and not realized it, but it just adds so much more to the project. The next item that we're releasing today is the Hello Fold It dies. Now, on this one also, I was able to add the optional stitch dies. So now, not only do you have the regular letters, but you also have the optional stitching as well, which is really fun. So you're going to love the hello. And sometimes you just need to send somebody a card that says hello, right? I mean, sometimes, just so they know that you're thinking of them. Now, the next one, the one that I really am excited to share with you, we've called it the A2 fold over card. What? I know, right? Like, means nothing, right? Well, let me share it with you. I'm going to put this down because we're going to do the overhead camera so I can show it to you. Here is the card base. And what it does is when you have die cut it, it does fit in a standard 6-inch machine with the extended pads. When you die cut it and you fold it, now you have this fun little layover or fold over to open it up. Now, you can do it this way or you could do it horizontal, but it's just this cute little thing. Now, let me show you this. Here's an example of it. When it rains, it pours, and you can open it up. I'm sorry to hear you are under the weather. Get well soon. Isn't that cute? It's just something totally different. Now, yes, look at all of those layering. Yes, you're getting the layering die for here. Yes, you are getting the layering die for this piece. Yes, you are getting the layering die for this piece. But wait, there's more. Because you are also getting all of these words. Now, I know they're hard to see on camera, so I'll read them to you. Happy birthday, happy anniversary, hello, with sympathy, and so sorry for your loss. So you're getting literally a one-stop shop on this one, right? You're getting pretty much everything you ever really need if you need something. Now, you're getting all of those dies with this. Now, let me share more samples with you so you can really get the idea of this one. Look how cute this one is. My heart hurts for you. This has the little ribbon holding it down. Look at this. Isn't this cute? So they can slide that out. Or actually, we can just open the ribbon. Look at this. So sorry. And it's a nice little, those we love don't go away. They walk beside us every day, unseen, unheard, but always near, still loved and missed and very dear. Isn't that gorgeous? So absolutely pretty. Love that. Now, here's another one. Happy birthday. Here's the dies. It comes with happy birthday. We're going to open this up, and we're just going to open that up, and we can write our little message. Isn't that fun? It just adds something totally, totally different. Here's a cute one. Happy hello. Open that up. And there's our card. Here's a cute one sideways, which I love, with our little pocket. Happy birthday. Pocket full of wishes. Isn't that cute? Here's a gorgeous one. Look at this. With sympathy. Isn't that beautiful? Open it up and have your little message on the inside. Absolutely love that. So pretty. Here's a cute one. Happy. Actually, I do believe this actually went under here. Look at this. So here it goes like this. This is just sewn on both sides, or you could just adhere it, and it's kind of tucked under there. Happy birthday. They're going to open it up, and then there's their card. Blow out the candles. Let's eat cake. Here's a cute one. Look how, see, isn't it fun how all of them are just so different? Here, enjoy your special day. Happy anniversary. We're going to open it up. And there we go. This is Cheryl's. I can always tell because she loves those 3D ink pens. So she has 3D ink on the flowers. She has it on little dots all the way around. So beautiful, so fun, gorgeous. Now, let's look at some hellos. Look at this fun banner. Hello, beautiful. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely love that. Love, love, love. Here's a cute one. Hello, my friend. Open it up. Thinking of you. Here's a cute one. Hello, my friend. Love it. Oh, here's a fun one. Look at all how cute this is. This is Cheryl again with her little dots. These are actually epoxy dots. Look at that. Flower petals wishing Flower petal wishes and butterfly kisses. So cute. Now here's a cute one. Now this one I did show you before, but I wanted you to see that scalloped rectangle in there, that inside scallop rectangle you probably didn't even notice you saw originally. Here's a cute one using 2 of them layered, right? Or you could use all 3 layered, which is really fun. Now look at how gorgeous this is using our foil and glitter paper. Isn't that beautiful? He is risen. So pretty. Or you could do the baking theme. Or you could do a thank you theme. Look at how fun this is. I absolutely love, you're literally going to start framing everything. Here's the happy birthday. Let's see, here's a happy birthday to you. So fun. A couple sneak peeks I'm seeing in here, which is really fun. Here's a cute one. Now, you're saying, what? Look at this. The scalloped rectangle is on this step-up card, rounded step-up card right there. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love that. Now, here's a cute one with little Kirsten Peep, little Kirsten Peep. Now, here's another one with cute little Kirsten Peep looking totally different, which I love because you can make those peeps look totally different each and every time. Now, you did already see this one, but I want to show it again. Here's that rounded rectangle. I'm sorry, the rounded inside scallop. And then it's even behind the little peep giraffe. And then look at how stunningly beautiful this one is. This one has the inside scallop and then holiday wishes. Isn't that beautiful? Now, club members, of course, you're getting your club discount on any of these. If you're not in the club, oh my goodness gracious, you need to join. You get 15 to 20% off everything. Yes, I said everything. Everything. No exclusions on our website. Every time you shop, as long as you're a club member. I know, it's not a one-time thing. No, it's every time. Every time we come out with new products, you get to buy the club discount. I know, it's awesome, isn't it? Now, go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and watch that video. You're going to fall in love. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.